The power of the thymus gland, known as the higher heart. The thymus gland is right here. There's like a slight bone. You can like rub it and you start feeling the edge of that slight bone that is covering the thymus gland. Your heart center is right here between the nipples. It's known as the queen torus field. And then the higher heart is known as the pink unconditional love higher heart. For me, I saw multiple times this thymus gland as a beautiful, vertical, massive pink gemstone. And it feels like each time I go deeper into the ascension process, the spiritual journey, it starts radiating more and more and more, and it starts pulsating waves of pink energy. It's really about anchoring more unconditional love within our vessel, and this unconditional love starts spreading from the thymus gland. It is known also physically that the thymus gland is the central piece of managing our own immune system. So people that are known to have like a low immune system, basically it's like because their thymus gland is not activated. So we can start activating our thymus gland by just tapping on it, by bringing our attention into it, by visualizing this pink gemstone that starts spinning super fast, by creating coherence, these beautiful fractal of coherence moving in harmony. More and more that we set this intention of living in coherence, living in harmony, we create this reality. So feel it now as you're tapping into it, and then you're creating with your mind eye these fractal of coherence, and you can feel there's pink strings of energy moving down through every pieces of your body, every organs, every blood vessel, shooting down to all your nervous system, your meridians. And now you can start massaging it with 2 fingers in circle. Close your eyes. And there's this master coming in front of you, and it's giving you a beautiful crystalline gemstone that is holding inside of it a pure pink gemstone of unconditional love, and it's putting it in your thymus gland. It's activating your thymus gland, upgrading your thymus gland, upgrading your immune system, and this is shooting up the brain. It feels like it's cleaning your brain, cleaning your whole body, every part. And we bow to this being, and we set our intention to devote our thymus gland, our pink unconditional love gemstone, to the Creator, to every being, to always remind ourselves to spread this pink unconditional love everywhere we go, to spread it to our own self, our own body, our own soul, to observe everything through non-judgment, to accept everything as a gift, as everything is a mirror for our own consciousness, allowing us to assess ourselves, receive clues to build puzzle, to crack the codes of the game of life on this evolution, this ascension towards more and more love and light, being filled with oneness and unity, in communion with all and the Creator in every aspect of myself. And that's it. Easy peasy. It's all about reminding ourselves every moment, every day, starting the day with practices like that. Thank you so much.